everyone, my name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. Welcome back to Fix It Friday, Foyr weekly series where we resolve your queries with quick and easy tutorials. In today's video, I'm gonna explain how to create a walkthrough step by step. Let's dive in. To create your walkthrough, first we click on Take a Render in the top right corner of your screen. From here, we click on Create Walkthrough, again in the top right corner. Now you can choose between high density and low density. With high density, there's maximum number of cameras used, best walkthrough experience, but credit consumption is higher. With low density, there's minimum number of cameras used, that's very standard walkthrough experience, but the credit consumption is lower. Basically, for low density, there's 1 credit per camera. For high density, there's 2 credits per camera. Don't pay attention to the minimum credits required, because when you choose a high density and click on Proceed, you can delete cameras that you won't be using. So let's say that we'll stick with high density. Now we click on Proceed. Each camera has a 360 point view, so you don't need as many cameras for smaller spaces. 1 or 2 will be enough. If you don't need any of the cameras, you can simply click on the camera, click on Delete key on your keyboard, and now click on Confirm. You can also move cameras. You simply click on the camera, and now you can move it to any other space. If you want your camera to be facing a different direction, then on your right hand side, you can move the image, and now your camera is facing in a different direction. I will space out my cameras, and then I will delete the ones I won't be using. For some spaces, there's a minimum number of cameras required for seamless experience. If you want to add some cameras, then in the top center of your screen, you click on Add Camera, and now you can place that camera in the place that you need it. When you have all your cameras spaced out, we can go to Camera Settings. With Camera Settings, we can select starting point. So wherever you will open your walkthrough, then your walkthrough will start at this point. I will select this camera as my starting point. You should have the camera icon visible on the starting slide. Now we can set camera order. I have 17 cameras here, and now I can set the order in which I want the walkthrough to play. This one will be the first one, as this is my starting point. You simply click on the image and drag it. Now click on the camera that you want to set second. That will be ticked on your left hand side, and now you can simply drag it and place it as number 2. You can repeat that step with each camera. When you have your camera's order set, we can go to Lighting Settings. Lighting Settings looks the same as in your renders. You can select the preset, you can select the environment, and we can select the product lighting. With the product lighting, you can select the overall product lighting, and we can also add lights in each room. To do that, we first click on the space. Now you click on this icon here on the right-hand side. Click on lighting again, product lighting, and now you can start adding your lights. You can choose whether they are on or off. You can rotate the view and go back to product lighting and add more lights. To choose a different room, simply click again on the icon on your right-hand side. Choose a different camera and click on the icon again. Go to lighting, product lighting, and choose more lights. When you have all your lights added, you can get a preview and check if you're happy with all the camera settings. If you're happy, then you can click on Generate. Now you will have an information how many credits is required, and now you can click on Submit. To access your walkthrough, you can click on View Renders and select your walkthrough. When you click on your finished walkthrough, it will open in a new tab in Neo Magic Tour. To start the walkthrough, you can either click on Play, and it will play in the order that you set the cameras. You can also select a room from bottom left corner, and you can either click play again, or you can just move it around with your mouse or a trackpad. You can also set camera from the preview that is visible in the top right corner. You can also stop at any point, click on the 3 dots in the right bottom corner and take a screenshot. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!